Hey guys, it's Joey, and today I have decided to show back up. I'm so sorry, I've been missing for a really long time. I believe my last actual Plan With Me filmed was probably in November or December, and I just then went kind of MIA for a while. So I apologize. I had to really do some searching with what I wanted to do as far as planning and journaling, and so I just needed to take a step back for a while and just find out what I wanted, what I liked. I feel like in the planner world, I love the planner world, don't get me wrong, but I feel like in the planner world there is a lot of influence, obviously. And sometimes that can be overwhelming, and sometimes that can really make you second guess what your style is or what you enjoy. And so that's kind of where I was for a while. So I just needed to take a step back and just decide, what I liked and just kind of evaluate it from there. So anyway, I decided that I was going to go back to the Hobonichi Weeks for on-the-go planning, and I have pretty much used this pretty consistently now for about 4 months, and I'm really enjoying it. And I still have my Erin Condren, but it has turned into more of my memory planner, my memory keeping. So I have that, and then I still journal. So I have lots and lots of, I just like to analog things, right? Like everything in this world is digital, it feels like. And I enjoy the process of writing things down. And I enjoy the process of putting my memories on paper. And even though I have like a bazillion pictures on my phone, I like to write down my feelings of how that day was or what that event was. And so anyways, that is where I was. As far as these past few months, I was just kind of looking at what is it that I really enjoy? What is it that I want to do? And I just kind of stepped away from a lot of social media, and I stepped away from, I still watch YouTube, but I watch other things, and that seemed to help. So I want to go ahead and do a Plan With Me. I use a subscription kit now that is from the Sticky Club. This one I think was March's, or I think this was March. And they send these adorable stickers, and there are a lot of them are it's a Japanese based sticker club, so a lot of them obviously have more of a Japanese style about them. Like this one specifically, you can kind of, I have some where they have actual like words and things like that that's written in Japanese. But anyways, what I'm trying to get at is that they have 3 different styles, and they have they have the cute style, which is what this kit is. They have a vintage, and then they have the pop. And so the cute style is just more me, because I've always enjoyed like sweet quiet design, and sticker kits like that. And so I still actually get sweet quiet design every single month. I put it in my Erin Condren every month. So, but I thought this would be cute to put it in my on-the-go planner, my Hobonichi Weeks. So let's look at the sticker kit. I like these. I think these are adorable, and we are going to be planning for April 18th through the 24th, so we're kind of getting close. Like, it is spring. I'm in Ohio, guys, and it does not feel like spring outside, so it's so frustrating. I might actually like some of these. I feel like that's more springy. That might bring about more of a springy vibe. This one's really cute, and it's like very glittery. Isn't that adorable? So anyways, maybe I'll use these. I really like these. So I think I'm going to use this sticker page, and I like this little polka dot. That's really cute. I have just like a bin of washi. I can't even tell you what I have. Like, I have so many different washis. It's kind of ridiculous. I don't need all of them. I don't need washi at all. Let's be honest. But I enjoy them. So, of course, I have a bazillion things of washi. And so I think I'm gonna use this one, maybe. This one is very Eastery though. And it's got like a lot of the same colors in it. I think I might still go with this one, even though it's a bit thinner. That's why I was trying to find maybe just a solid, but I'm struggling with that. Oh wait, this one's kind of cute. No, it's too dark. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. So I just can't seem to find anything else. I need to put an order in with Simply Gilded because that's really my favorite. And what did I do with it? Oh, here it is. So anyway, moving on. I have been using this pretty, well, very consistently every single week. Even if it's like, I haven't like completely laid down washi or stickers or what have you, I don't really like care. As long as I can actually write in my planner, that's really all that matters. So this is a, no, not Hobonichi. This is a Midori ruler, Traveler's Company. I got this about 3 years ago from the Paper Seahorse. They're located in Clearwater, Florida. Actually, maybe it's more Tampa. But anyways, we went on a vacation there and I visited the Paper Seahorse because, you know, I had known about it. Actually, I think I'm gonna take this one off. So in the, squirrel moment, sorry. So anyways, I visited Paper Seahorse and got a few things when I was down there. All right, so I'm gonna talk about this piece of this notepad that you get every single kit. She sends a notepad. And I like to, I didn't actually end up using it last week, but I do like to put one of them on my pencil board here. And then I can write down groceries, whatever I need to buy at the store. And that seems to work really well for me. So I don't really want to use that real estate in my planner for just like grocery lists. I feel like that's kind of a waste of space. So I like to actually put it on there. All right, I'm gonna make my lines that I would typically make for this planner. And I am using the pen that I got with my Hobonichi. Well, was it this year's Hobonichi? I think so. Yeah, it was. All right, so there's that one. And I'm gonna darken the line right here, the one that's, it's sort of already there for me, but I'm gonna darken it. And then I'm going to go across this section right here. So I basically put my meals in this category. I put my meals and I put the weather. So that's been kind of nice. Whoops, that's all right. Nothing a sticker can't cover. All right, so once I get done setting up my weeks, it's so simple, guys. It's like super short usually, but I'm kind of drawing it out today for you, making it a bit longer. Once I do that, this is like just become my to-do list. It's pretty simple. I don't really do a whole lot with it. I'm not real big into making anything kind of complex. I just want to make it cute and move on and write down my to-dos. Now, let me think about this. I do have some meetings this week, so I will be kind of writing that down, but let's see. I have 2 meetings on the 18th, so I'm actually, hold on a minute, put that guy down. I'm gonna get out my little handy dandy Hobonichi stencil. And I'm going to write down my meetings for that day. I have another meeting on this day that's an ETR. I'm an intervention specialist, so if you're new to my channel, I'm a teacher. And the end of the year becomes sort of my never-ending meetings. Like there's always just a ton of them. So IEP at 9:15, and I'm not writing down names because it's confidential. At 2:40 ETR. At 2:40. And this is also IEP at 2:40. And then I do have physical therapy this week that I'm starting up, but I have to go back and look and see what time that is, so I'm not gonna write that down. Oh, we also have, Tori was in like regular gymnastics, but she has moved now to like a tumbling class, and it's called like cheernastics or something. It's basically just tumbling with a little bit of cheer. And that one is at 5:30. If you're wondering what I use this column for, this column is for like just a highlight of what happened that day, or something big that I just want to kind of think about. It goes in this area. Let's see. We have kids worship on Sunday. Oh, and we will have baseball practice, but I have to find out what those times are. I don't have them written down right now. So anyways, this is kind of how it goes through and I do it. I do have all of these little Sweet Kawaii design stickers that I use. So I'm gonna put my to-do right here. I don't know why I'm keeping this one page with just cell phones on it, so I'm probably gonna pull these off right now and stick them on here. When she sends out like the monthly freebie, I peel off the whole paper and then I keep this as just a sticker sheet for on the go. So that's kind of helpful. And I'm not gonna throw this sheet away. I'll probably keep it because I can stick it in other planners and things like that. Anyway, let's see if that's, I think might be it of what I'm gonna do. I might put a little washi right here just to kind of jazz it up a little bit on that side, if I can get my washi. All right, and I'm just gonna tear that one because it's not that big of a deal. There. All right, that was my quick plan with me for my Hobonichi Weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to do more plan with me's with you. I don't know if you are interested in watching me do the Erin Condren memory keeping, just leave me a message down below and I can do that. And then if you're interested in seeing like a flip through of my, like, it's not real personal, it's like just, you know, I can kind of show you how I journal and what I journal in. So if that's interesting to you as well, you can also leave me a little message below. I hope you guys have a really great week and I will talk to you really soon. Thanks, bye.